Well, hello people, and welcome to Wexford Town here in the southeast of Ireland, beside the Irish Sea. So I'm going to spend just about, it's after 4 o'clock here now, so it generally gets dark here now at the minute around about 7 o'clock, so I only have a couple of hours to spend, so we'll wander around a part of Wexford Town, okay? So I found a car park space here in the County Wexford Chamber of Commerce. €2 on exit, which is perfect. That's the way it should be in towns, all like that. So just going to go into the town here now, have a look around. So that Wexford bus there is saying Dublin Airport return €28. So if you want to go from here to Dublin Airport and then when you come back from your holidays, your ticket, it costs you €28. So that's a monument to all the people of County Wexford who died in the Great War of 1914 to 1918, which I think is the First World War, isn't that right? Now, isn't that a good idea? Putting those, it looks like it's stuck onto the doors of this power station. It looks like an electrical, whatever it is, and doesn't look ugly because they have put on this pictures of lovely flowers. So this is Wexford Town, people. I'm going to go in at the back of these buildings here because there's a lovely cool shopping street along there. This is also, you can see lots of fishing trawlers here in Wexford. Lovely seating area along here, along the, it's like a promenade nearly, and out there is the Irish Sea there. There's a big trawler there, the Hibernia Wexford, very wide. So this railway track here will bring you down to LAVALIER and the Europort for the ferries to go over to Europe, right? And it also, the train will go all the way back to Dublin Connolly station, obviously in Dublin City. So just looking across there, there is a German food place just across there. It's saying authentic German food. presented to the people of Ireland by the United States of America in 1956 in recognition of Commodore Barry's outstanding contribution to the naval annals of his adopted country. He was born in County Wexford and is buried in St. Mary's Churchyard, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Wow, I did not know that. You learn something new every day, my friends. Every single day, at every moment. So, I'm just after having tea and 2 plain cookies just across the street there in Stable Diet, and they were actually gorgeous cookies. There's a place there, a pub, bed and breakfast. Main shopping street here in Wexford. It's after 5 o'clock now, so a lot of the shops are closing down here. But I've been down here twice during the summertime and it was real buzzing street. A bit lacklustre here today, but it's just full of, a good lot of places here closed down, I have to say. There's a whole big building across the street there, completely closed up, closed down. So this part of the street now is pedestrianised, which is pretty cool, and there's some lovely shops along here. Well, as you can see, it's very quite subdued down here on Wexford. 5:30 in the evening, and I'm just coming off that pedestrian shopping street there. Lovely shops, of course, but just very subdued, I think, today along here. Here's a shop called W.R. Hamilton and Sons, and there's a picture of Eamon de Valera, old signs. There's a nice shop frontage there. That's gorgeous, actually. Optical Ryan Medical. It's a medical shop, but it's lovely. Well, hello people. It's 10 minutes to 6 here in Wexford, and I'm heading home now, and the second battery I had died on me there in the town, so that's why I didn't do any more filming within the town. Anyway, you know, I was trying to take in too much there in one go, so you'd want either a whole afternoon in Wexford, or maybe a whole morning in Wexford, if you know what I mean. You see them right on there. I walked down really the main shopping street in it, and where the fishing trawlers are, what I want to say, parked. I don't know what you call it, and comes to what did he say? Bertha, is it? Anyway, where all those fishing trawlers are parked along the river there. That's lovely along there. Big long promenade really along there to sit down and walk and just chill. The shops in the town are nice. They're nice shops, nice shop fronts, but I don't know, there's something missing in Wexford. I can't put my finger on it exactly. I wouldn't call it now a crap place now. It's a nice little town, but I don't know, there's just something missing in the town. Anyway, listen, I'm not really doing it justice, because I want to spend a bit more time in the town, but you could use Wexford Town as a place to go to loads of other tourist attractions close to the town. There's a castle here, there's a few museums, there's the John F. Kennedy Museum as well, and close to here, also his homestead where his great grandfather or something was from. Yeah, there's a good few like tourist attractions close to Wexford. So if you want to stay in Wexford, in a hotel here in Wexford, it's a nice quiet, I'd call it a quiet town. That's what I'd call it. So yeah, so that's it from my quick visit to Wexford Town in County Wexford on the southeast coast of Ireland, right? So stay tuned, my friends, because I've no idea where my next video is going to be. So stay tuned, watch out. They usually go up on a Sunday. So take care people, stay safe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.